So the number of fringes that get shifted when we introduce a transparent medium is given by n is equal to mu minus 1 into t by lambda. So here when we introduce a material of refractive index 1.5, the number of fringes that get shifted is 20. So this is going to be 20 is equal to mu minus 1 into t by lambda. Since mu is 1.5, we get this as t by lambda. So t by lambda is 40. Now we are repeating the same experiment by using a different material of refractive index 1.6, but a thickness equal to half the thickness of the material that we have used initially. So in that case we get n is equal to 1.6 minus 1. Since the thickness we are reducing by half, this becomes t by 2 into lambda. So this will be 0.3 into 40. So the number of fringes that get shifted is basically 12.